understand that here's your beach ball. It floated back up. And now we need to see the will of the shorts defend in here. And this is somewhat neutral. Got to get this back under this 13. So we said be careful overthinking this. This should be the first reaction zone by the shorts, as part of it is profit taking. But the will of the shorts needs to now come back and say, okay, get out of here. And I think the longs have already, because of that 11 angel, they've already neutralized this big push. So it could just be we get some chop. This daily line catches my eye for now. So I'd love to say, yeah, shorts are in control and we're going to come flying backwards, but, show me. He said if you're aggressive, you're going to use is 15 to 16. And if it doesn't work, take your stop out. And we said, buyers, you're going to use your 11 angel. So that trade has worked for the half gap. This is a great trade. It's easier to turn your mind around and come this way if you were able to pull the trigger and make something come in here. And there are traders here in this room, I'm sure, that have gone flipped several times today. Right? This was our assumed support, broke it, tested the next layer down here at the 11s, and we've bounced back into the middle. So now we need to see the will of the shorts come back and do this all over again. Or else it's just a washout low, and then we're going to get more range trading and attempt to close the gap up here before we're done. And if we break 18, forget it. It's lights out. So I think we need more time to probably chop around. And I think already this is a bullish situation that the 11 was defended this morning. So anybody that hits these bounces, think of them as scalps. We know we need to come back, and we know we need to take out all over again this assumed support level. So this was a push down in light overnight traffic, and then it's floated back up. And it is options expiration. So conservative shorts will be waiting and taking shots at a higher level. And if you put on a trade and it does not work, just take your stop out. No big deal. Currently, the longs are pushing. We still have another 10, 15 minutes in the hour trying to close, and there are two different gaps depending on which one you want to use, the 16 and change and then the 17 and change. And we can see the 18 is our demon today. So already I believe the longs have exerted their will and said, no, you don't. We're coming back at you. And I know that's a disappointment for a lot of shorts, but it's just the reality of what I'm reading in right now. At some point here in the immediate future, the shorts have to stop this push and get more players on their side saying, yeah, we made a high and we're coming backwards. So they need to step to the plate right here. And we've said the aggressive shorts will be trying at the 15 to 16 area. And then we want to see the results of that, So right now here, this 14 is today's RTH angel, and that's got to be beat. And then I want to see us take out that yesterday's low. Otherwise, no good. So, in my belief, probably going to get chopped to death. Already, if you played long and you don't take profits, by the 16 area, should be with a trailer that's left for the rest of this. And I think Charlie got caught just thinking too aggressively already down here. So there is a little trend line, if you draw a trend line coming down, we're bumping into that, but that's pretty steep. And my guess is, as I said, you know, the 13 will be the fighting line today. And that's been defended, you know, very well by by the longs at the open. Said, nope, we're getting our head back above water, and we're coming. So Mike, great call. Mike said he thought would probably be better off buying the 12s. Said, fine, anybody who's buying, try the 12s, 11 angel. And if you're buying, try a scalp. And the most important notion we said would be to try to get at least to this original 1375, 14 and a quarter area, because that was the middle, obviously. And then if you had a trailer, try to get it all the way to the half gap, which I have today at 15. I'm using that as our measure for half gap. And then obviously anything above that is gravy for the long side. Good game today. Good, very good game the boys put on. And this is why you can't just close your mind to the fact that a lot of times we get, you know, backing and filling. We don't get just a straight down move. So you wake up, first thing you see that we have a lower low, and you're salivating. Remember, the S&P will tend to back and fill more than it will just break out, break down. And in this year particularly, they've been especially egregious about just, you know, pushing it back and keep this thing going. So I believe that already that probably the low is in for the day.